The vector algebra of class 12. Now the types of vectors. We know that we have the two types of quantities, scalars or the vectors. The scalar quantities are those that has only magnitude, is known as a scalar. Only that has the magnitude. Like time, mass, length, temperature, density, speed, etc. है only magnitude, only the value. But the scalars, the vectors, a quantity that has magnitude as well as the direction. Magnitude भी होगा और direction के साथ होगा तो वो कहलाएगा vector. Like force. Force is in this direction, velocity in this direction, acceleration, momentum, etc. are the vectors. A directed line segment is called a vector. Suppose it is a vector, the initial point is A and the terminal point is B. So we represent the vector in this form, AB bar. This is a head and tail. Okay, like this, it is a vector. The magnitude of vector AB is equal to the modulus value of vector A. We can represent the vector in a single small letter like this, A arrow. AB equal to A, this is the A. The magnitude of this vector is equal to the A. Unit vector. A vector A is called the unit vector if the magnitude of the vector is 1. If the magnitude of the vector is 1, this is known as the unit vector. It is represented by like this, A and small cap. And the next, equal vectors. Two vectors A and B are said to be equal if they have same magnitude and the same direction. The two vectors A and B are to be said. Why? When same magnitude and same direction, these two vectors are equal vectors. Next, negative of a vector. A vector having the same magnitude of a given vector A and the direction opposite to the vector A is called the negative of a vector. Suppose AB is a vector, so B is negative of A. The direction change. This is the positive and here is negative. Okay. Null and zero vector. A vector whose initial and terminal point coincide is called a zero vector. It means start and end this point. This is a point vector like A equal to 0. The vector whose initial and terminal point coincide is called a zero vector. Next, coinitial vectors. Coinitial means two and more vectors having the same initial point. Like this. This is the initial point O, OA and OB are called coinitial vectors because they have the same initial point O. Next, collinear vectors. Collinear vectors are having the same magnitude, or the collinear vectors, those vectors which are parallel to the same line. If this is a line, these are known as the collinear, or the AB, BC, AC all are collinear vectors in the same direction and in a line or the parallel to the same line. These are the collinear vectors. Like vectors. Collinear vectors having the same direction are called the like vectors. AB, BC, AC, the same direction, these are the like vectors. And having opposite directions, unlike vectors. Those collinear vectors are in opposite direction, it means they are unlike vectors. Free vectors. Those vectors which not have initial point. Like this, a terminal line and start like here. These are the free vectors. Coplanar vectors. All the vectors in a same plane are called coplanar vectors. Now the position vector of a point. Let O be the origin and A be the point such that this is a point P. The coordinates are in three-dimensional X, Y and Z. And this is the origin of the 3D geometry में ये 0, 0, 0. So O be the origin and A be the point such that O equal to A, the position vector of this. Now here is OP and the R is the magnitude. Now the magnitude of this OP vector is under root x square plus r square plus z square. It means the distance from O to P, it means magnitude, equal to under root x square plus y square plus z square. And direction angles of this from these coordinates, from x-axis alpha, y, beta and gamma, from z-axis. These are the particular angles with the axis. Alpha is the angle between axis and point vector. Cos alpha, cos beta and cos gamma. These are the cosine angles. Cos alpha equal to x upon r, cos beta y upon r and cos gamma z upon r. Now worksheet 10.1. Exercise 10.1. The question: represent graphically a displacement of 40 km 30 degree east of the north. Okay. Now the position of a vector. First make all the four directions: north, south, east and west. It is 40 km 30 degree or east of north. It means east of north means this direction 30 degree. From north to east it is equal to 30 degree and it is equal to 40 kilometer. The magnitude is 40 kilometer and direction is east of north 30 degree. This is the position. Okay. Classify the following measures as a scalar and vectors. Now one is 10 kg. 10 kg it has only magnitude. It means it is a scalar quantity. 2 meters northwest. In this the magnitude is 2 meters and the direction is northwest. It means it is a vector quantity. 40 degree. It is also a scalar quantity because it has only magnitude. 40 watt. It is also a scalar quantity because it has only magnitude. 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. It is also a scalar quantity. And the last 20 meter per second square. The meter per second square is the unit of acceleration. It means acceleration is a vector quantity. The 20 meter per second square is a vector quantity. Okay. Classify the following as a scalar or the vector. Now first is time period. The time period is a scalar quantity. Distance, it is also a scalar. Force, it is a vector quantity because force needs direction. Okay. Force equal to mass and to acceleration. Acceleration has the direction. Velocity is also a vector quantity because it has both magnitude and the direction. Work done. Work done is a scalar quantity. It has only magnitude. No need of direction for finding work done. Okay. The next question, question number 4. It is a square. The figure is given that A, B, C, D are the 4 vectors. Identify the 4 vectors. Okay. Now the first one is coinitial, equal and collinear but not equal. First we have to find the coinitial. Coinitial means starting with the same point. It means A and D. Coinitial means same point. Starting point same. It means A and D are the coinitial vectors. Okay. And equal. Equal, see, B and D are the equal vectors. Because the direction of the both are same and magnitude also same. Because it is a square. The magnitude of B and D are same and the direction is same. Next, collinear but not equal. Collinear but not equal, the vector A and C are collinear because they are parallel line but not equal. Collinear but not equal in this form. A and C are collinear vector but not equal because they are parallel but their directions are not same. The directions are different. The C direction this side and A direction is this. The A and C are collinear but not equal. And the last question, answer the following as a true or false. Now the first one is A and minus A are collinear. Yes, it is true. Vector A and minus A are parallel to the same line. Can be parallel to a same line. It means it is a true. Two collinear vectors are always equal in magnitude. False. Always equal. How can it possible? Collinear vectors are parallel to a same line but not equal in magnitude. It's not necessary. Therefore, it is false. Two vectors having same magnitude are collinear. No. False. Two vectors having the same magnitude need not necessarily be the parallel to the same line. Two vectors having the same magnitude but not collinear. They are not need to be same. दोनों एक ही लाइन के पैरेलल हो ये जरूरी नहीं है. It is also false. And the last, the two collinear vectors having the same magnitude are equal. Two collinear vectors having the same magnitude are equal. अगर वो collinear हैं और उनका magnitude same है तो वो equal होंगे. नहीं, जरूरी नहीं है. If the magnitude and direction two vectors are same, regardless the position of their initial points, the two vectors are said to be equal. वो दोनों collinear हैं, एक लाइन के पैरेलल जरूर है लेकिन उनका जो स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट है रिगार्डनेस से अगर सेम लाइन के एक यहाँ पैरेलल है एक यहाँ है तो नीड नॉट टू बी equal. Therefore, it is also false. Only first one is true and all the three are false. Only a simple exercise. Next exercise we will read about the addition of vectors.